What's up, y'all? This your girl GOLDMOUTH. I'm coming at you guys today to show you guys how I'm going to attempt to make some Swai. I got some Swai here. I have already cleaned them, and I'm going to dry them a little bit more. I dried them out a little bit, but I'm going to dry them a little bit more and cut them so I can. We're going to do Swai nuggets, y'all. So I have never, and this is going to be in the air fryer. So I have never did Swai in the air fryer, and so I'm going to do it today. Y'all see me when I did the catfish nuggets, and they came out so good. So I'm going to see if I can do that with the Swai, y'all. Hoping y'all got a good view. Okay, yeah, so I got the Swai. I already got me some grits over here to the side. I already done cooked them, so they just over here chilling. Y'all can see those good creamy grits. I've been cooking these grits for about 30 minutes now. So I like to cook my grits ahead of time, so that way my grits will be good and creamy by the time, you know, my fish get ready. So my grits are done over there. Now I'm gonna just cut my Swai. Wash my hands. And then I'm gonna cut my Swai in bits. Actually, I'm going to dry this first with the paper towel on both sides. Just pat it a little bit. It was already dry, but I'm going to do it again because I think it's, you know, it started back getting a little moisture to it. So I'm just going to pat it dry with the paper towel. And, what's up, y'all? And, then I'm going to put my seasoning on it. Well, actually, I'm going to cut it first, then I'll season it. I'm going to put these in bigger chunks because this is thinner than the catfish nuggets was. So hopefully that'll cook out right. So I'm going to just cut it in bigger pieces. And then the thicker parts, I might just cut them, make those a little bit more pieces. So that way I have enough to spread it out, y'all. You know, we got to spread it out. Just cut these. Ooh, y'all, I got company in the background, y'all. My goodness, y'all sound like ghosts in here.
You gotta be quiet.
Yes, be quiet. Okay, cut that in a chunk. Cut down the middle of that one. I ain't trying to cut down the middle of where the fish go, but I'm cut them big enough so they won't be, you know, so small, but not so small that they're just gonna be like little tiny just to bite, but you know they're decent size. See how that look? So I'm just gonna I'm gonna leave that one connected. I'm just gonna put my seasoning, my batter in here. I had the fish in here, so I'm gonna clean that out real quick. And then I'll put the batter in this. Try to dry this out too. I'm gonna preheat the air fryer for a minute. I don't know if it's that necessary or what, but this is the kind of batter I use for the Louisiana fish fry, y'all. Y'all gonna have to screenshot that. Okay, so I'm gonna put my batter in here. And then I'm gonna season it with a little bit of I'm just gonna put some cayenne in mine because I want my fish to be a little bit spicy. Like that. And I like to go real light with my batter because I don't like to be throwing a whole lot of batter away. My husband will dump a whole heap of it in here, then he'll have a whole lot of batter to throw away at the end. I'm like, man, you just wasted all that batter. That batter could have been used for some more fish. So put that in there like that. Then I'm gonna get some Old Bay if I got any Old Bay. Oh my! Okay, so I'm gonna put some Old Bay in it, just to give it a little bit. You really don't need no Old Bay. Old Bay is optional, okay? It really is. It's optional. So I'm just gonna try to, I guess, get it blended up in there. So try to space that out evenly. But I probably need more batter, but I'm gonna go light with the batter at first, just in case. You know, I got enough. It don't look like I got that much, but I'm gonna put that in there, and then we're gonna see how that work out. If that don't work out enough, then I will add more batter. No need to season the fish at all, okay? Because the batter is seasoned already, and plus, I put that little bit of dab of Old Bay in there, and that's it. Okay, air fry already heated a little bit. My grits is over there like on low. So y'all can see how much. That's how much batter is on that fish. I think I'm gonna shake it up a little bit more, just to make sure it's evenly coated. And I got plenty of batter in there, y'all. Plenty. And you can see through it right there. See how I batter down there? So, I think the last time I sprayed my fish, I sprayed it with the oil. See how much batter I got in there? And I might spray with the oil again just so it can stick a little bit better, because I think when I dried it with the napkin with the water, I think it just kind of like dry, so it wasn't sticking that good. So I'm gonna just spray it like that. I don't spray it too much, because the last time when I sprayed those imitation shrimp things, y'all, man, they didn't come out good. I don't even think it was a spray. I don't know what it was, but whatever it was, I think it had something to do with the egg. Oh my gosh. Hands. Okay, there we go. Okay, y'all. It don't look too much different, but that's what it looked like when I'm done. Y'all can see that. That's what it looked like when I'm done mixing it up. So I'm just gonna place it in the air fryer, and we're gonna cook it. Okay, so it's time to put it in the air fryer. So with this, I'm gonna spray. I'm gonna spray this batter. Spray the batter. Spray the air fryer, y'all, not spray the batter. And then I'm gonna put each little piece of fish in there. Spread it out. Make sure I'm putting them, because I got 3 fish. Hopefully they'll fit in there. I don't know. Hopefully they'll all fit in there in one pot. So I'm putting them close together. Let me see if I can get y'all in closer. Okay. All in there. Tap that one a little bit with some more batter. Now I did my catfish the exact same way, and they came out decent. They came out real good. So, oh man, we might have 2 batches. Y'all, this is 3 fish. Oh, y'all seen me cut them. So this 3 fish. Fish fillet. Uh-oh. I ain't want to do 2 batches, y'all. Golly. But that means I got to wait while somebody else eat their food and all of that stuff. So I'm going to try to squish these in there, y'all. I ain't got time to be doing 2 batches. I hate doing 2 batches, because that means when you finish with the first batch, whoever got to eat, got to eat then, because it's fish. It don't, you know, you got to eat the fish while it's hot. But y'all know me, I be eating my food hot, cold, most of the time. Most of the time it be cold when I be eating my fish, for real. So, oh man. And I'm going to fill my air fryer up. They say you're supposed to let the vents, let the fish not pile it up too much, so it could, the holes can be there. But I ain't never had no problem with it, and I don't close them completely. I do leave a few so the air can come through. But sometimes, child, I just ain't got no patience. But I make sure some holes is left in there. But look, I got one piece of fish left. And it's going to be, I'll scoot over so a few little air holes can be in there. So that's what it looked like, all ready to go in the air fryer. So I'm going to put it in the air fryer. And then we're going to see, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I took them back out real quick because I wanted to show y'all what I did. I want to spray them a little bit with some oil so that way they won't be so bready feeling, because they felt like they was kind of gritty, bready. I don't know how to explain it, but you know how when the bread fall off, so I want the bread to stick to it a little bit more so it won't feel like dirt, you know, like sand, all right? So I'm going to put them back in now. Okay, y'all, so here's what it looks like up close. And I just flipped them over. I'll flip these last few over. They feel like they, I don't know. They feel like they're going to be like soft on the inside. That's how they look up close. Y'all can see that view. Focus. And so they feel like they're going to taste good. Now, look, I don't know. We going to see. Put them over. And I'm probably going to put them back in there. That was 20 minutes. And I don't think they take no longer than that. So I'm going to do like 3 or 4 minutes and put them back in, you know, put them back in there for 3 or 4 minutes, and then I think I'm gonna be done with them. Okay, y'all, the air fryer the bell just rung, so this is what the chicken looks like once it's out of the air fryer. So I don't know, y'all, let me touch it. It's still okay. It got a little it feels like it's gonna be crispy. And so I'm going to flip them over. I don't think they're going to take as long as the catfish nuggets. So I'm going to flip these over and then put them back in there. Looking like this. And I'm going to show y'all a close-up of one. Looks like this up close. And let me break it. Ooh, good and hot on the inside. It feels soft. Let me give it a taste. Ooh, hot. I don't know what to say to that. It's good. Oh yeah, it's good. I was skeptical, y'all. I was thinking it wasn't gonna be all that, but honey, it's good. Is it better than the fried Swai? They're kind of almost the same, but you don't get that fried, greasy feeling. But it's still good. So now let me plate up my food, and then I'll be back. Oh, I'm gonna show y'all my grits done. Oh, they got a spice in them too, y'all. They got that kick from that cayenne. My grits is good. Done. Smooth and creamy. Just like I like them. Now I'm going to plate this food up. Y'all know I got my oranges on the side. I think that's going to be my signature thing, because them oranges, like, they do good. When you can't find no more vegetables or nothing to eat. I don't know how they're going to go in here with these grits plated up, but we're going to show enough see in a minute. Okay? So we got that. I'm going to finish plating up the food, y'all, and then I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, here is the finished product. I sprinkled a little bit of black pepper on the grits. And y'all already know I like to put oranges on the side of all of my foods lately, y'all. That's going to be my signature thing, honey. I like it. Oranges taste so good with anything. So, anyways, you guys, they came out so good. Like, they came out delicious. I showed y'all already, but they like just the right little bite size, and they not dry. They good. They good, y'all. Trust me, all right? And they're not deep fried in a whole bunch of fish grease, okay? All right, you guys. Thank you guys so much. And that's all I got to say in this video. And I will holler at y'all later. Bye.